North American Van Lines Relocation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get moving companies wrong. They assume all movers are the same. The surprising truth about North American Van Lines is how it combines nationwide logistics, professional moving services, and tracking technology, and you won't believe how stress-free it can make relocating your home or office. Here's how it works. North American Van Lines offers full-service moving, including packing, loading, transportation, and unpacking. They also provide real-time shipment tracking and insurance coverage for added peace of mind. For example, a family relocating cross-country can schedule packing assistance, transport delicate items safely, and track their shipment online. Most people get this wrong. They assume movers only carry boxes, but North American Van Lines manages logistics end-to-end. Additional features include temporary storage solutions, specialty item handling, and corporate relocation services. The company also provides professional move consultants to plan each step and reduce unexpected challenges. However, there are considerations. Costs vary depending on distance, volume, and services requested, and planning in advance is essential. Most people assume all items are automatically insured. It's important to review coverage options. In conclusion, North American Van Lines is ideal for anyone seeking professional, full-service relocation with reliable tracking and support. They simplify the moving process from start to finish. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of moving and relocation services.